Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka.
Hinda Beka.
Akwesi insia.
Commander 6.
Karo seni etie.
Atunia.
Bam.
Sani bilia. Tari.
Sudua.
Oh, Kimirika.
Akini musindara.
Nani kumukoro?
Badi musindi bamundangara.
Nani mukori akani?
Andu gudin samboni bitundi yaka.
Nani kumoriki?
Basidi.
Tari. Atunia.
Bam.
Sani bilia.
Se ya mfa ye nwan mu anko osoro kasa mu an ba bi ye ne ba ka kone mu odin. Eti Bishop Daniel Obinim nyame won shiraw. Sometimes this prayers no ekenya hom. Weba man Bishop Daniel Obinim no ebiem there. Osoro kasa no mo ba bi ye de pa de bam onti ase mame Bishop prayers ni biem.
Atunia.
Bam.
Sani bilia. Tari.
Sudua.
Oh, Kimirika.
Akini musindara.
Nani kumukoro?
Badi musindi bamundangara.
Nani mukori akani?
Andu gudin samboni bitundi yaka.
Nani kumoriki?
Basidi.
Tari. Atunia.
Bam.
Sani bilia.
Eti ekoye faso ye pam ho bone e de free osra hema mu no se omo no den bonsam no pa no yiye ti nyame ne honhom na dum Bishop Daniel Obinim me didi akwesensia Asem Yi Di Ka bre ena address wow okay, so the brighter side of life. Happy birthday, and confirm the former Minister of Education. On menyam for yaw educhum. And then your birthday. Honorable, I wish you all the best. Nyankopon won shraw. Kosoma na yemye na doye no mo bronye kese ewo so. Ghana is blessed to have you. Happy birthday. Then also happy birthday and confirm Mrs. Jocelyn Kankam Bodu. Osmo Kankam Bodu awo Irana. Ni awo we no. Oh, okay. So Mrs. Jocelyn Kankam Bodu and her birthday way through husband. Honum. Also I wish you all the best. And you know that. And upon the kakra de aguo. Gender cost spending is so happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Nyame nhyira no nyo kese ko iso beye kese pam. So no na di enkomo bi rich be call mame. Enkomo na di about Ghana adehye ya pamomo edromo free edwuna but before that mame maritime for condition of service no. Na menchire ahwefo Adam. So this is the condition of service Maritime Authority for any edwuma. Eji say Obapia for the termination of appointment of a probationary employee shall be referred to the board. It will like us as a person crowd power because I was a board they take that decision. But unfortunately, that decision to pump amount for from Ghana Maritime Authority no. A yakata if my penny at a neighbor. And then I'm catcher or say with all due respect and trade him. Now back to sa pam no. My first letter of National Health Insurance Authority guy in the no. Now, ya pamwa may say the pam baby. Mami NHI for a letter, a branch a letter no. Ya pamwa may say the echo baby. And make us say, for once, let's take our political lenses out. So let's take and put our political lenses down. It is a per se who say ya the betimi yes way a branch about corner so your father Juma. Our National Health Insurance Authority 17th January 2025. Now, our branch appointment we pay and I'm for a revoke appointment. You see, they make us or how ye walk on a say. Yen fiti precopem found crofo juma wa banjuma mo. In fact, even more timid ya hanum no. Yen sorry keke na ebia ye head of news and current affairs Martha Crystal. Emeka say enipa o news to esa ye pebia kawo etade che na yakofa grofa begum debi bebem finance director bebem baby e fa nipa na kono pani oda no ebebem to make sure say ampa ye wa ho ye nyan say betimi afa nkrofo so me ye adwuma ya na afa nkrofo so mo emra what will be the financial implications ye was escasem na hoden na Ye bua we nyina wi ansa na agya to me sade a ye fa si mesi na so obenten emra sa na aban so appointment so etie say for once put yourself in the shoes of a more ye pa omui assume say ye wunya and probably is the only person feeding the family of me as best 3 4 and ya gina no aduane e free ne nsem say ya how will you feel? How will you feel? Mumayan so enyo mumayan so enya depa. We can't continue to build our nation on this trajectory. Already should be unemployment jina. And our baby any so do so betimi aboa reduce unemployment e wo Ghana. Tie ban se na aba na so onwie bi aye bi active so a wo se be ka bi de agumu. Eja me can say ye ma amanyo sem no edoso sir. They will not make any heads will. Sa na ne be kɔ ne saa ne akɔ ne saa ne akɔ ne saa ne de agiregyere mu saa ne akɔ ne saa eti enne abai adwuma na nanka ye secured so betimi ai no because of your manyo semunti no enye secured biem because of your manyo semunti no e man enye secured biem Menyini se aban bi behye da se aban ni sika se betwa manfo ka enso still was me fa nkrofo go menyini because clearance na heba no ehema keke o ye so re preocupa ni aka se aba clearance ye fa nkrofo adwuma o enana beti ono mo San George nipa be 100 ya papa mo and you are laughing. Ya pamo nyina hey abua na kasa mu ne podua anka de to na wo konfo na de ye hire ne bedi na ahe wonse wo konfo na de ye hire no e ne bedi na ahe wonse ejam ga se pese e kɔ ne sa de yi nyina nyintum etine so ye ndi sidi ye fo adwuma wa ba adwuma mu a fa hye otim se Send this tina konya so fishia 9. Send this tina konya so fishia watwe. After that, moving pamo. Now we are sake. But the question is that how we want to build our nation? Sane pese a chichiri e na. Wo kam se bi en kam se ade ba ko e gina so de ball entwa for NDC in 2024 elections was a 24-hour economy, which is going to give a man for Numa Bebre. And maybe Piana NDC in 25 dream course. Those are dear back when Nams Magana Mabru Bebrena, and the Jumano, it's not so to a body mamo. Because they know sending you be Nenya a Fambako, and by virtue of 24-hour economy, you know, what Babian understand. No be the 24-hour economy, but for na ye pam for their coffee. And I keep asking, and now we don't believe and trust the 24-hour economy no will be feasible. Because the Nipa never be 24-hour economy. Ye the Nipa never be the 24-hour economy. And the more than you say, 1-3-3, one job. 3 shifts, 3 people. Etika Ghana Maritime, ukobodi kakra kadada. Esa mo be ye 24-hour economy. Eti men here that same model. 1-3-3. So why do you go and sack people? So when you start a 24-hour economy, are you going to employ? Me where me at as a 24-hour economy no, and you likely said this year a best start. Are we now going to employ new people now? when we have people who are more experienced on the job, you are letting me training out for come back actually. But we say want to take them out. Let it not be said, say, yeah, the 24-hour economy that Ghana for. Let it not be said so. Say 24-hour economy, the born to a keke. Na nya de ampara mpare betimi aye. Ene ko ban sa de mampani John Dramani am tell you, amafo bedu ho ya papa. Because the crack and wheel of NDC 2024 manifesto was on 24-hour economy. And only had the padudu nyina ye support it because enuma sem wo Ghana thing. If sa baby be atum say yan port yan tum ye be run 24 system. No be ko na bi ba se ne ye wa kire ndia na ya de pa. Ati fu mampani e ba ne say. Mampani e ba ne say. See, you start 24-hour economy. I said, be a quantum, some for apply near 4 moduma. Oh, man, and yet, and I continue to say, if indeed we believe in the 24-hour economy, you are creating doubt about the policy. Mr. President, you are creating doubt about your own policy that is supposed to solve unemployment in our country. Now, Bampo now soon to me 24-hour economy. Now, I'm going to bet me. A Bampo announced to me 24-hour economy. Now, I'm going to bet me. Mr. President, yes, sir. We need to tell ourselves some points. Say, baby, you do the same. You grow man and watch it. You fancy anum. And yes, sir. Let's draft a new thing. You can't man for say yes. So, but you for buy you more. Depend on a banya edo a buy you know. So, by notice we will lose power pay. No one can swap amu. Then you are yes, sir. But me go through process. I'm a pa banya juma. Na menya wia ya beka tem say fa madwuma and the government. Sa ba ni no won't know. Etimi so yi medi. Eye pure politics near ye. It has nothing to do with your farm conform and abroso. It has nothing to do with security between foka. Eye pure politics. Politics. Ye mabruna ade ne kotie no ye na ase ye ni agye ene ye bose na onyan betrefe na wo kwa kochi na so betena wa ho ye mpanifo de ya adwen di agro eno ne ade ya ne mpese Ghana mabru no ye nyina esi ya adwen pise enye de fa se me join NDC ntino bibi be koso bia shugo enye de fa se me join MPP ntino bibi be koso bia shugo okay ye mpanifo ne de ya adwen di agro enanu me ka kire o enwuma ni wo bare pe kwanya mo moma eye adwuma etwo no obusuan be koso adie na wa ye ma 10 Ghana ne 20 Ghana no de bie fre wo be bo sent no ne ye so frawo ne ye fu adwuma ne apamwo ba ne mane die obekoso adie Oya, why you here ninti? Na de akoshe fie eba ifo. Ana mfie fo, me fie fo mpa de pa, mfie fo pa de pa. Ufie nkwa na npa bone fo wo. Se Ghana mabru si ya adwen pise. Ye mane nkoso nya de bia amanyo sem. Ye di na besif mama ye mpene fo na tese be bia mo de o mane kono enya. Mpene fo no set up. Because one some jabo no bono, one fra wa ma, one fra yen. I'm looking for the NDC. Ni bet me catch my pen Mahama say, Mr. President, we can't continue like this. As a son call NPP na ko the same thing. Na NPP ni aka kire NPP no to say, Mr. President, we can't continue like this. This will show us a Ghana etumpong. Na ye pam crofo efi so me ye NPP for tino, me ye this ni mani age. Na abaya sesa. Na NPP be pam NDC for, me ye NPP ni mani age. E na because I dwene mo ha. With all due respect, I dwene mo ha. One more be papa Edward Jean a diagro. Nana one year former ministers, be bro me no me na chamo bebre. Sebi nyalo sebi bro sebi koto. Yenim nya sache bebre. But on hienti also wadwuna me so we sebi obi a wadwen nya adwuma. Onya 70. Wo me antra se ma manyofo no bi ya adwen ho sa. Me dey meka na be di matuma fine. When matema fine, but me say e bebu aboye nyina. The way na ye kono e bebu aboye nyina. And ye mabru na ose sorry. And now me catch say me ka and then people na me catch say me catch the MB before say mo na matimi mampani akasa. Na aban se sa na so akasa aban won tie. And then the same thing I'm telling you, NDC achita for matimi mampani ma ha ma akasa say, Mr. President, if there's a challenge about unemployment in Ghana, you solve it. When you're being from Kofu Meshem and you're solving unemployment, no. Kwasi kono jina kwanti yangu diye ni yedi no. Emma Bruni pejumaye. Emma Bruno wa pejumaye. So ye NDC ni, so ye MPP ni, so ye CPP, so ye PPP. Wa pejumaye. That should be the thinking of Ghanaian politician. It is not about say, Maba or some pump this squad. Now go from go. Unya. Say the see Ghana Maritime. Ya pump the out of a corporate affairs. And ya confirm this in your beshim. It can be why. Environment work creative. Uncreative. The real issues affecting our nations. No. And what Mr. President, let's tackle it. Because my fire full. Because I'm a bro all my yentimi analyzing yema. Your friends say me party number power and cool into me okay. It's the party be free I don't know what that's what no. Now the party penny no and that's so didi. Ah? Now party no and so didi. Now to another be a common do. Now common do. Now common do. Ah. Eddie, I don't know. Eddie, I didn't know. Oh no, a disappointment. But say, I don't want to believe, said the 24-hour economy, no. Yet the year campaign, LP Ghana, my vote. And yes, sir, Mr. President, you be doing who you are, papa. Make out to a 1,000 cities and pay. Mama, 1,000 cities. You use a continent for 1,000 cities for 2 butum. They could do. You use a continent for yeah, nekodi. They enjoy. It is a live draw. Which bet be a switch star 281 hash. Selecting option 4. Star 281 hash. Selecting option 4. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pa afa. One every year. Yanko. One every year. 0555 038 star. 0555 038 star. Why ena every year? Mwanya na the 1,000 cities eko. Obi awini sesi ya mwaba mumu. O ma yene kwa brasa antisu ba be wie pese mu a o cha another 1,000. Eti kosune twa star 281 hash. Star 281 hash. Selecting option 4. Pacho yenye nipa no wini na. Osmo friend mama na kasa. Na msa senisa ka 1,000 Ghana cities. Senisa ka 1,000 Ghana cities. Okay. Mate. Eti ya hwe na ya ne beka so. Man kwa blasa ati atena se. O de pen for de pese mu to asomede de akwasi. Esia. Asem Yi Di Ka. Ya menke nyina akra.
Asem Yi Di Ka. Asem Yi Di Ka. Asem Yi Di Ka. Asem Yi Di Ka.
In the Becca.
akwasi insia
Commander 6.
karo said yet